So after the E major, there's E minor. With the E minor, all you have to do is lift here, your index finger, and you're gonna play the same notes. All you're gonna do is leave them open. Since they both share the E root note, right? This is the E major with the index down, E minor with the index out the way. Same shape, middle finger, second fret on the A, ring finger, second fret on the D, and then play. It's one of my favorite chords to show because this is the easiest one to just get a sound out of the guitar. You can practice these two. Go from E major to E minor, E major, E minor, E major, E minor, and go up as well. E major, E minor.